The elves help an old man. Why did I select this tale for our story listening session? Here are 5 reasons why I chose to share this story with my students. To begin with, it's a Japanese folktale widely recognized among Japanese audiences. This promotes comfort and familiarity, thus easing their apprehension about an English story listening experience. The second reason was about the lesser-known meaning of a word. I found introducing the word growth to my EFL students worthwhile. In Japan, English education typically focuses on textbook learning, primarily for exam preparation. While many Japanese students may understand growth as synonymous with development or expansion, its lesser-known meaning as facial swelling is often overlooked. Upon consulting a dictionary, I discovered that growth denotes swelling, listed as the 4th definition. Third reason was understanding everyday low-frequency words. This story was rewritten to simplify it for easier comprehension for A1 level students, but it still contained 12 low-frequency words, which means many low-frequency words are used in everyday life. Just because computer software analyzes that some words are among the low-frequency words, it does not mean that we don't use them in everyday life. This story contains words like ointment, board, or lightning, which are frequently used in everyday life, although they are listed as low-frequency words. Junior high school students may not need to know some of these words if they were only preparing for the high school entrance exam, but that would not help them with reading books. They need to know a variety of vocabulary to read books for young adults. Like many other folktales, this story helps students understand a word's lesser-known meaning and expand their knowledge of everyday low-frequency words. The fourth reason was about emotional connection. The old man with growth, hiding from the elves, attracts listeners. The listeners start imagining the old man's face, which might look scared or worried. The old man was afraid that he might get killed. The listeners might start feeling the fear that the old man is feeling. The old man hid deeper into the tree. The listeners might feel like they need to crouch. The fifth reason is enhanced curiosity. The surprise factor, like when the old man unconsciously offers to teach the elves to dance, adds a layer of fascination. This motivates the listeners to stay attentive and actively follow the story, creating a dynamic acquisition environment where language acquisition naturally occurs. Story listening is about experiencing the language dynamically and memorably.